Welcome to Kids Education Channel.
Hi.
Hello.
May I sit here?
Yes, of course. What is your name?
My name-
From? Nice to meet you.
I am from Mumbai. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
Where are I am from Delhi.
How old are you?
I am 25. How old are you?
I am 26.
Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live?
I live in New York. But I am currently living in California.
What do you do? Are you a student? Or do you work?
I work at a school. I am a teacher. What do you do?
I work at a bank. I am a general manager.
What does your father do?
My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor.
That's great.
What do your parents do?
My father works at a cafe. And my mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 younger brothers. And 1 elder sister.
Great. I have just 1 younger brother.
I'm impressed.